Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. Radeon RX 5600 XT Gaming 6G. Enter and then hit enter. After it search your graphic card on this website and then click on the product and then click on this name of the title. Click on support. Select your operating system: Windows 7, 10, 11, all operating system installations processing, AMD driver, and click to download. When click to download, it will start downloading. You can see it is start downloading. It will take some time for the download and depend about your internet speed. And then click on three dot and click after that click on download. Then it is completed. Then click on it. Open this icon to open where it is downloading. After that this one right click and run as administrator, otherwise show more and run as administrator to click. Then click on yes. After that this is installing. It will take some time and it is completed all driver. Then restart your system.